What's up? Welcome back for another video, and if you're in the house world, we got Prado Design in the building, and my man continues to bring the noise with these new, fresh looking designs. Prado, my man, you did your thing with this one. Now, the name of the watch face is called Cruiser Watch Face. It's an animated watch face. It looks really nice. It's analog at that. In the AOD mode, you're going to get a nice look, kind of a lumen themed look for the Gears 3. And you're going to get another different look for the Gears 2, but you'll still be able to get your analog time at a glance with no problem. So I thought that was a good look. Now, when the watch face is on, I really like the thing. Very different, very unique. I like the stylish hands as well. You got second hand creeping around the bezel of the watch, and you also got animation going on in the background, so you can kind of see the guts of the watch, which really looks nice. And I do like the index as well. It really brings out the watch face, especially with that theme going on right there. And if I tap right here, I can bring up my calendar, and right here where your steps would normally be, you can go into it, check out your step status info, and you can also double tap to change the color of the thing. Not bad. You get several to choose from. Just simply tap through all of them till you find the one that you like, and you're all good. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.